Сколько вас? Сколько вас, блядь? Сколько вас?
Floods, freezes, and non-stop contact. The front doesn't quit. Today we've got 4 verified pieces of combat footage showing Ukrainian operations across Lyman and Kupiansk. Let's get into it.
Петух ёбаный, сдавайся, блин. Что, назад? Заехай нахуй.
Clip 1, Kupiansk outskirts, Kharkiv Oblast. Mid-January, the 151st Reconnaissance Battalion advancing through the flooded forest on Kupiansk's edge. Lead vehicles punches through waist-deep water, trees and debris everywhere. This terrain alone fights back. An enemy drone buzzes overhead. A short burst of fire from the soldier, down quick. Counter UAV drills are routine now. No unit moves without that muscle memory. Moments later, the team spots 2 Russian troops outside near a tree line. Both caught, exposed. They immediately drop weapons and surrender clean. No shots, a quick search, secure, and move. That small capture may seem minor, but these skirmishes set the tone at Kupiansk. Constant probing, testing lines, and confirming enemy positions. Ukrainian forces have advanced around 1 to 2 kilometers this month here. OSINT puts Russian casualties near 600 in these local fights, mostly from artillery and FPV strikes pounding the approaches. Conditions are rough, soaked roads, collapsing bridges, but the push continues. Following that, we shift to an operation run by the 8th SOF Regiment in Kupiansk. This is a precise raid, target confirmed as an enemy operative coordinating artillery fire on Ukrainian positions. The footage starts outside of what looks like a half-destroyed building, daylight filtering in through the broken windows. The first rooms are open, full of debris, maybe a school or administrative structure, wrecked by months of shelling. The team moves in, rifles steady, each doorway cleared methodically. As they push deeper, the light fades, flashlights snap on, and the night vision footage begins. In one corner room, they find a single Russian soldier under blankets, asleep and unaware. Calm, measured voices. Ukrainian operators order him to surrender. He wakes up, hand up instantly. A second soldier found in another room, same situation. No resistance, both detained safely. The professionalism here stands out. Calm room clearing and no chaos. Intel suggests this target was relaying coordinates for artillery strikes before capture, a meaningful hit that disrupts precision fire in this direction. These missions rarely make headlines, but they ripple through the battle space, cutting the enemy's eyes and ears. Shifting to a broader view, the front remains tense along the Lyman, Seversk, and Kupiansk directions. Frozen ground speeds up vehicle traffic a bit, but exposure risks grow under daily drone patrols. Weather is weapon again. Flood zones up north, deep freeze here in the east. Both sides trade limited assaults with artillery saturating every crossing. Ukraine upgrades at night optics and drone ICR make these small hunts increasingly successful. Clip 3, Deep Strike Operations Behind Russian Lines. January 17th through 19th, a look into precision operations coordinated by Ukraine's SBS, Kairos, Nemesis, and the new Deep Strike Center. On the strategic side, Ukraine's drone industrial base has expanded dramatically this winter. Over $500 million in foreign support fueling new FPV and long-range UAV production lines. Thousands of units rolling out monthly now, giving Ukraine eyes and a reach far deeper than before. Russia's answer remains electronic warfare, but evidence is clear, growing strain on parts and coordination on that side. These deep hits aren't about territory, they're about tempo and disruption, shaping what happens on the line days later. Now to the Russian side. A small group moves through deep snow, everything white out and motionless until a Ukrainian FPV drone appears overhead. One soldier spots it, fires, and in a split second, impact. The blast throws him back hard, and his weapon flying. No explicit injury shown, but the force is heavy. Winter drone warfare is evolving fast. Frigid air challenges batteries, but snow cover hides approach and angles. Most encounters now last seconds. OSINT suggests 300 to 400 Russian personnel lost in just a week around the Lyman from combined drone and artillery hits. Compared to smaller Ukrainian losses, thanks to better protected positions and rotating rest zones even in the cold. Attrition now favors the side that adapts logistics and tech faster, not just to shoot straighter. Clip 5. Trench clearing in the snow. For final footage, Ukrainian recon sabotage group pushing deep into a Russian trench complex. The Ukrainian soldier spotted in white camo, snow blending, and in near-perfect concealment. Grenades tossed, short bursts of small arms, then one Russian soldier emerges crawling out, shaken and unharmed.
Не слышу ответа! Ползи дальше! Сколько еще?
Immediate surrender. Captured alive, secured, and no further contact. That shot tells a lot. Supply chains stretch, mismatched uniforms. Russia's still relying on green fatigues here, too easy to spot in the snow. Ukraine, backed by fresh winter gear, through aged shipments, moves better, hides better, and holds the advantage in endurance. From floods to frost, every kilometer of front in Ukraine's east is chaos balanced on logistics, tech, and morale. Ukraine's small unit tactics and drone integration keep winning engagements that chip away at bigger Russian formations. Weather remains the wild card, but this winter flexibility is the weapon. More footage and operational updates coming soon. Subscribe, stay briefed, stay sharp. Battle Beacon out.